I lower my peaceful rump onto the cushion of grass. No one will raise an objection, even if I should choose simply to stay sitting here for the next 5 or 6 days. That is the wonderful thing about the natural world. While on the one hand it has neither pity nor remorse, but neither fickle nor arbitrary in its dealings with people. It treats all indifferently alike. Many are prepared to turn their noses up at the rich and powerful, like the Iwasakas and Michuas of the world. But who besides nature can coolly turn his back on the ancient authority of emperors? The virtues of nature far and away transcend our pitiful human world. Their absolute equality holds eternal sway. Rather than associate with the vulgar, induce yourself in the kind of misanthropic fury felt by Timon of Athens. Far better to follow the way of the sages of old. Cultivate flowers and herbs in your little pot and spend your days in the peaceful coexistence with nature. People like to speak lawfully of fairness and disinterest. Well, if this means so much to them, surely we would do our best to kill 1,000 petty criminals a day and use their corpses to fertilize a world of garden.